Hi, my name is Mai. I'm a freelance video producer, and I recently just left my New York 9 to 5 job and traveled down south of Thailand. Previously, I went to Koh Tao, became a freediver, and hung out with Kapangan local during the full moon. In this video, I went to Thailand's best surfing spot to learn how to surf and check out their strong community. Located on the north of Phuket, Khao Lak is known for its sand break by memory beach bar. And of course, I had to learn how to surf and went to a surfing school called Better Surf. These are the lovely people I went on a trip with. They were part of On Track, a boutique gym in Bangkok. Waves in Khao Lak weren't super strong, and there were instructors for every student, so it was super safe and fun for all of us. The instructors were also friendly and welcoming. They really treated me and all the students as friends. Here's how our surfing class went. Khao Lak's geolocation that offers long stretches of shore made it truly a great place for surfers and beach lovers. However, that comes with a cost. Khao Lak got hit the hardest by the 2004 tsunami on Boxing Day. All the beachfront villas, buildings, storefront, school, homes, literally everything were decimated within a blink of an eye. More than 4,000 people have lost their lives, and it was truly a tragic event that shocked the world. Many of you may vaguely remember it or know about this from the movie The Impossible, which was based in Khao Lak. However, to Thai locals, especially those affected, their lives have changed forever. Today, although most Thai people have already moved on, the memories of those who perished are not forgotten. Khao Lak has a museum dedicated to educating others about the tsunami, a devastating event, and a place to pay respect to the victims. One of Better Surf's instructors once told me that no matter how rough or bad your surf session was, there is no surfer who's not looking forward to the next day and waiting to ride the next wave. Just like how there will always be a new day and your chance to do better the next. After learning how surfing can strengthen people's lives and mindset, I can't help but wonder if the surfing mentality may have helped them get over the terrible tragedy, or maybe what they went through has built the strong mentality that made Khao Lak give birth to many great surfers. That mindset reflects the Khao Lak communities. The waves came crashing and literally took everything apart from them. They went through so much, but got back up and are now building back even better and stronger than ever before.
อ๋อครับเก็บขยะครับช่วยกันเก็บขยะไว้ต้อนรับเพื่อนๆมาแข่งเซิร์ฟครับเดี๋ยวเจอกันครับ
เยอะต่อยจาน
I'm just wondering if this is a same 50